Yoga Buddies! Today we're going to calm our minds and breathe again with super gentle yoga poses. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can join all our calming adventures. If you're feeling overwhelmed or if your day felt a little too big, this flow is perfect for you. Ready? Let's begin. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. Sitting cross-legged, spine tall, shoulders relaxed, hands resting on knees. Chin neutral, soft smile. On all fours, round your spine toward the sky. Tuck chin to chest, arms straight, belly pulled in. On all fours, drop belly slightly, lift chest and head, shoulders relaxed, gentle smile. Form an upside-down V, hands and feet pressing into the mat. Legs long, spine stretched, head relaxed between arms. Knees under hips, arms stretched far forward, chest melting toward the mat. Step one foot forward into a deep lunge. Back knee on the mat, hips sinking gently. Hands rest on the front thigh. Switch sides. Step your feet wide. Bend the front knee and extend your arms sideways at shoulder height. Look over the front hand. Repeat on left and right sides. Stand tall, raise your arms overhead, stretch your fingertips up, and keep your shoulders relaxed. Sitting with legs extended, hinge from the hips and fold forward, reaching toward feet with a long spine. Lie on back, arms in T-shape. Lower both legs to one side while keeping shoulders on the mat. Alternate sides left and right. Lying on back, hips grounded, legs extended straight up vertically, arms relaxed by the sides. Now, let's rest together. Place one hand on your belly and one hand on your chest. Close your eyes softly. Feel your breath coming in and going out, like gentle waves on a quiet beach. Let's stay here breathing for 30 seconds. Amazing job, yoga buddies. You did such a fantastic job calming your body and your mind today. If you enjoyed this practice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a moment of calm too. See you in our next peaceful adventure. Namaste.